Best of Yummy Gymnastics. Gianna Khalifi.
He scored 9.875 and 9.825 at NCAA Regional Second Round and Finals Academic All-Big Ten. Prior to MSU, she attended San Diego High School, participated in many competitions. We highlight some of them.
Sandra Colantes.
Sandra Colantes is from Lima, Peru, and relocated to Virginia Beach, Virginia by herself. She is an elite gymnast, the highest classification in the sport. Elite is a little higher level than college, and you get to travel internationally. Sandra represents
Elwe Bilmore. Maddie Johnston.
Award Big Ten listed.
fourth place. Career accolades. Pac-12 Coach's Choice of the Week 2020. Pac-12 Academic Honor Roll 2021. Two-time WCG fourth place.
Sabrina Garcia.
In junior season, she selected second team All-Big Ten. In 2019 senior season, named second team All-Big Ten, was a nominee for the AAI Award, presented to the nation's top senior, earned academic All-Big Ten accolades. AAI presents the distinguished AAI Award to the most outstanding senior female gymnast in the country.
Thank you for watching.